News 7x7 is a unique channel dedicated to the news from dairy industry. Every week you receive brief on top 7 dairy news on this YouTube channel from India and abroad. These news could be seen in detail on our channel dairynews7x7.com also. You may write in the comment box on the dairy topics of your interest. We will try to develop news feature on the same. Your constant feedback and patronage to this channel is our source of Top 7 dairy news from the week of March 21st will cover NDRI launched technology for rapid detection of mastitis in dairy animals. Dodla Dairy share increased by 19% after acquiring Sri Krishna Milks. Ongoing Russia-Ukraine conflict has led to financial losses to Goa Dairy. Nutrifit Your Family says Mother Dairy in new ad for probiotics range. Systemic change in food packaging recycling only possible through PPP. World's first dairy-free buttermilk made from grains. And Fonterra to exit Russian businesses amid ongoing conflict. Scientists of the National Dairy Research Institute NDRI launched an innovative technology for rapid detection of clinical and subclinical mastitis in dairy animals. It was an outcome of a joint collaborative research project of NDRI and IIT Delhi. It is a non-invasive technology wherein disease diagnosis of an animal is done through milk, which is rapid and more sensitive than the existing technology, said Dr. Chauhan, Director NDRI. Mastitis is a disease of the udder and statistics indicate that 30 to 35% of the dairy animals are suffering from clinical and subclinical mastitis in India, which causes huge loss to the dairy industry. The director added that in over past 12 years, NDRI has developed 156 technologies and of them 85 had been commercialized to dairy industries, animal feed manufacturers as well as entrepreneurs. During the meet, NDRI showcased its technology related to milk quality, milk safety, health foods, fortified milk products, dairy equipment, animal nutrition, etc. Dodla Dairy Limited, the Hyderabad headquartered listed dairy firm, announced the acquisition of Karnataka-based Sri Krishna Milks Private Limited for Rs 50 crores. Sri Krishna Milks was incorporated in 1989 and was the first private sector dairy company in Karnataka, according to a stock exchange announcement. The objective of the acquisition is to expand the company's business, said Dodla Dairy, while adding that the buy would not fall within related party transactions. Sri Krishna Milks, which is mainly into procuring of milk, manufacturing and selling dairy products, reported a turnover of Rs 67.27 crores in FY21, down from Rs 76.27 crore in FY20 and Rs 90.2 crores in FY19. This acquisition led to increase in Dodla's dairy stock by around 20%. With a market capitalization of more than Rs 3100 crores, the shares stand higher than 5-day, 20-day and 50-day moving averages. The ongoing conflict between Russia and Ukraine has had financial repercussions in the dairy sector, with Goa Dairy facing huge losses from rising raw material costs to produce cattle feed. After posting a profit for the first time during the last fiscal year, Goa Dairy's cattle feed manufacturing plant has faced a loss of more than Rs 65,000 per day. Most of the edible oils are imported from foreign countries and the supply has been affected by the war. States such as Rajasthan and Maharashtra use rice bran oil for cooking and thus the shortage has led to a surge in demand and subsequent rise in prices of various byproducts which are used for feed manufacturing. We are facing a loss of around 1 to 1.5 rupees per kilo of cattle feed, while the plant sells around 50 tons of feed every day. Prices of key ingredients such as rice bran have been increased by Rs 10 to 12 by vendors, the official said. Mother Dairy, the country's leading dairy player, has rolled out a new digital campaign, Nutrifit Your Family, especially for its dairy-based probiotic portfolio, Nutrifit. Mr. Sanjay Sharma, business head Dairy Products Mother Dairy, said, in the modern day-to-day lifestyle, it becomes difficult for one to maintain the balance of beneficial bacteria in the body, mainly due to various factors like stress, unhealthy eating practices, other infections, etc. Mother Dairy is amongst the pioneers in the dairy industry to introduce probiotic products in the country way back in 2007, with the introduction of dairy-based probiotic drinks and later strengthened its portfolio with the introduction of probiotic curd. Last year, Mother Dairy introduced India's first probiotic yogurts under the Nutrifit brand aimed at supporting respiratory wellness and immune defense. A new report from Finland's Technical Research Center VTT Recycling food packaging highlights those technology solutions expected to become commercially available in the next 5 years and says partnerships are essential to deliver the necessary technological innovations in food packaging recycling. VTT's team examined current and near future recycling systems for plastic and fiber packaging and found that alliances between brand owners, recycling and sorting technology developers, and waste management companies are fundamental to the development of recycling solutions. Such partnerships are essential for future investment in new recycling technology as they provide, on one hand, accessibility to used material and on the other hand, a potential user for the recyclate. We believe a real push for systemic change, going beyond individual companies and bringing value chains together towards low carbon circularity is needed today. The effective use of extended producer responsibility systems to build a material positive system for fit for purpose food packaging will also be helpful. Dairy-free buttermilk was always something home cooks made by adding acid to plant-based milk and waiting for it to curdle. Until now, dairy alternatives company Millet created the first commercially dairy-free buttermilk, which relies on a proprietary blend of ancient grains. The company ferments these grains, which include millet and sorghum, to give its plant-based buttermilk dairy-like characteristics. Millet vegan buttermilk is low in sugar, priced between $4.99 to $5.99 for a 32-ounce bottle and can be used in recipes such as baked goods, pancakes and smoothies, along with more savory applications such as coleslaw, cornbread and curry. Buttermilk is the main ingredient in salad dressing, and since most early plant-based dressings were replacing buttermilk with fatty oils or unsavory vegetable purees, we wanted to make something that would taste better and be healthier for consumers, Meir said. Once we developed the buttermilk, we quickly realized that vegan buttermilk could be used to make a lot of other products as well. New Zealand's largest company Fonterra has announced that it is exiting Russia after its co-op decided to suspend shipments of products to Russia at the end of February. Following careful consideration of the impact on our people and our long-term plans for the Russian market, we will now close our office in Moscow, redeploying staff where possible and withdraw from our joint venture Unifood, said Fonterra CEO Mills Harrell. Fonterra entered a joint partnership with Russia's Unifood in December 2018, but it has been exporting butter to the country for more than 40 years, which was 1% of the company's exports. The announcement of withdrawal follows the company's initial move to suspend shipment of its products while it assesses the situation. Fonterra has underscored that it is putting its priority on its people affected by the Russia-Ukraine crisis. Thanks for watching Dairy News 7x7 channel with news update from last 7 days. To continue receiving update from this channel, I Kuldeep Sharma request you to subscribe this channel and share and like the video, and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.